జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 4th చాప్టర్ జ్ఞానయోగం 17th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ టీచింగ్ జ్ఞానయోగం టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, karma is 3 types. One is karma, second one is akarma, third one is vikarma. Karma means karma yogam. That means not expecting the results but performing the duties. And while performing the duties, thinking that Paramatma is making me perform these duties. And while performing the duties, thinking that these duties performance is as a service to Paramatma. So these 3 aspects, if observed while performing our duties, then it is known as Karma Yogam and also known as Karma. And this Karma Yogam gives us moksham. So this is the Karma Yogam which becomes the means for all of us to attain moksham. Now, akarma. Akarma is the jnanam that you have to be having while performing the Karma Yogam. What is that jnanam? I am different. My body is different. I am different than my body. That is known as Atma Jnanam. So back in the mind, this Atma Jnanam constantly should be running in your mind while you are performing Karma Yoga. So back in the mind, this Atma Jnanam whichever is running is known as Akarma. Now the third one is Vikarma. Vikarma means now you are in the body. Because you are in the body, there are few duties that you have to be doing. Those are Nitya Karmas, day-to-day activities. Naimittika Karmas, occasional activities. Kamya Karmas, out of desire performing some activities. These Nitya, Naimittika, Kamya Karmas, according to our scriptures, you have to be performing because you are in the body. And to perform all these activities, you also have to earn resources. So, earning money, bringing resources, performing Nitya, Naimittika, Kamya Karmas, all together known as Vikarma. So like this Arjuna, Karma, Akarma, Vikarma. It is not easy to understand the depth of karma, but I will tell you now. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us understanding the depth of karma aspect. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Karmano khyapi bodhavyam bodhavyancha vikarmanaha akarmanascha bodhavyam gahana karmano gatihi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukavayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing to Narada about this entire Srishti, relating this one to Sriman Narayana's Virat Purusha's divine body, saying that, O Narada, Aham Bhavan Bhavascha Eva Ta ime Munayoho Agrajaha. Me and the one you who came from me, and Shiva and those Sanaka and other great rishis who born before you, and all the devatas, all the danavas, all human beings, all snakes, all birds, all animals, animals who scroll on the floor, and Gandharvas, Apsarasas, Yakshas, Rakshasas, Bhutaganas, animals, and Pitrudevatas, Siddhas, Vidyadharas, Charanas, all the trees, and animals which lives in water, animals which lives in the sky, and planets, stars, tarakas, lightning, clouds, everything is enveloped by Sakshat Virat Purusha. O Narada, all these entities is very humble to Sriman Narayana, as and how the body is humble to the Atma, this entire creation is humble to Sakshat Paramatma. O Narada, Sriman Narayana himself is bearing this entire creation, controlling this entire Srishti and governing this entire Srishti. O Narada, there is nothing which does not have Paramatma Sriman Narayana as his or as its Antaryami. Everything is pervaded by Sriman Narayana. That is why it is also said, look at this universe, look at this entire Srishti as Sakshat Paramatma Sriman Narayana. O Narada, Sarvam Purusha Evedam Bhutam Bhavyam Bhavachayat. Whatever has happened so far, whatever is now happening, whatever is going to be happening in future, everything is Sriman Narayana. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma disclosing Sriman Narayana's all-pervasiveness and his glory to Narada Maharshi. The same thing is shared by Sri Sukha Yogendra to Parikshin Narendra. The same message is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He Martyaha Paramam Hitam Srunutavo Vakshyami Sankshepataha Samsararnava Mapadurmi Bahulam Samyak Pravisya Sthitaha Nanajnanamapasya Chetasi Namo Narayanayethyamum Mantram Sapranavam Pranamasahitam Pravartayadvam Muhuhu. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena amarasetravo vinihataha krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 17th sloka. Karmano khyapi bodhavyam bodhavyancha vikarmanaha akarmanascha bodhavyam gahana karmano gatihi. Karmano khyapi bodhavyam bodhavyancha vikarmanaha akarmanascha bodhavyam gahana karmano gatihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.